What's up you guys? Welcome to another Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk to you about inheritance. So what the heck is inheritance? So you guys think of inheritance as in real life. What is inheritance in real life? In real life, when your grandpa dies, you actually inherit a land from your grandpa or a car or whatever. There is a different kind of inheritance. You can inherit specific genes from your dad or from your mom. So they basically passed those genes to you. So, okay, that's pretty simple. So inheritance is basically getting something from someone else, if that makes sense. So what the heck could it mean in computer programming? So in computer programming, what inheritance is basically taking whatever is in a class and bringing it in another class. That's basically it. So let me show you real quick. So create a class named Mo. Whoa. And create a method. And all we want to do is just print yes. So we have a class right here and we have a method, and what this method does is just prints yes. So guys, you already know this, but I just want to recall if you guys forgot. If we create an object, let's name Mo1, and now we will be able to access name. So if you run that, boom, yes. So now we created an object for this class and we were able to access it. So this is not new. But imagine if you created another class named getMo, and just type in pass. As you guys can see, this method does not exist here. However, once you put this class name here, you guys see this mini error that says, is saying that whatever is in Mo is also in getMo. It's basically it. So whatever is here is also here. Why? Because we took the name of the class and we passed it in as a parameter for this class right here. We just basically inherited everything. Okay, so why is that important and how can you prove it? So the reason why it's important is because you basically write less code and it's so effective. The way to prove it is this. So I'm going to create an object named Mo2 and set it equal to getMo. So guys, there is nothing here that shows that this method exists in getMo. However, when you type in Mo2 dot, automatically name appear, and if you press it and you run it, boom, it gives you yes. It said, okay, I can't see name in getMo, but I can see it in the class Mo. So because it exists in the class Mo, I can also access it without calling the class Mo. All I have to do is just call this method, this class right here. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The second thing that I want to teach you guys is this. If you have a method in your subclass that has the same name in your superclass, guys, if you're doing this for college, this is called a superclass and this is called a subclass. So you guys notice that we have a method called name and we have another method called name. However, when we access this class right here, this method is going to be overwritten because Python is saying, okay, it is true that I'm inheriting everything from Mo and whatever is in Mo is also in getMo, but I have the same method written again, so you must telling me that I want to write this again. So if you run this, it will give you no, as you guys can see. So I know you guys, I'm gonna give you an actual real life example in the next tutorial, but in this tutorial I just wanted to explain it very simply so you guys can get it and freaking understand it. So you definitely want to watch my next tutorial because it's going to be a good example of when would you actually use inheritance. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.